Geely Yuan Super van service vehicle. It is a professional mobile maintenance service vehicle based on the Yuan Super van pure electric platform. With a new energy-native architecture, super large and flexible space, and all-function maintenance equipment integration, provide a one-stop mobile solution for road assistance, on-site quick repair, tire services, and emergency jump starting. The driver's zone is designed in a minimalist tech style. Standard 7-inch full LCD instrument panel and steering column. Gear shift, freeing up center console space for simple and convenient operation. The rear compartment is a professional maintenance work area with a neat and orderly layout. Equipment is securely fixed with clear and distinct functional zones. Overall, it achieves a perfect combination of driving comfort and efficient operation. Tire changer, quick mount type at the tailgate, can be moved outside the vehicle and supports 12x24-inch tires. Wheel balancer, fixed at the side sliding door, with real-time data display. Air compressor system, equipped with an air compressor, high-pressure air hoses, quick connectors, and tire pressure gauges. 3-dimensional storage, the vehicle provides ample storage space. Equipped with LED interior and exterior lights. VRV emergency power supply system for emergency energy replenishment of new energy vehicles.